Again the I loop goes for I becomes 3, checks for is a 3 or number, no. I becomes 4, checks for is a 4 or number, it is no. I becomes 5, this time loop will stop. When the loop will stop, we have n value 5 and this is the condition of the array. Will display a0 to a less than 5, all the numbers. So that is our main program. Now let's see this complete program working, because inputs outputs are very simple. The main part was how to delete this number from the array. Let's see this with Turbo C example directly. So here we have a program to delete all the occurrences of given number from the given array. As discussed previously, we have defined a array of size 20, n to get number of elements to process, I and j for looping, and no will input a number to be deleted. Then first we ask for enter number of elements to input, that is input into n over here. Then we are given a message enter n numbers. Then the loop starts, goes from 0 to less than n and inputs values into array. This much is simple. Now we'll input the number to delete it, that is we'll input number as no. Then the main part starts, that is deleting a number. Here we set I equal to 0, and goes up to n. If a of I is found as a number, then we'll shift all the numbers from I plus 1 till n on the left side by putting every aj into a of j minus 1 location. After shifting is done, we'll reduce I by 1 to adjust that index, and we'll reduce n by 1 to reduce the count of numbers. This process will keep repeating till I crosses n. So this for loop will remove all the occurrences of the given number, and then using a simple for loop will display all the numbers in the array. We'll give a heading, modified array is as follows, and then I equal to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, display all the numbers using printf %d \d. Now let's first compile the program. It's compiled. Now let's run the program. It asks for how many numbers to process. Suppose I input 8. Enter 8 numbers. Suppose we input some numbers 5, 5, 3, 6, 2, 6, 6 and 7. So these are now 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We input 8 numbers, press enter. We have to input one more number, so we'll input, let's say, one more 8. Now it asks for enter number to delete. Suppose I want to delete all the occurrences of 6. So there are 3, 6 numbers over here, 6, 6 and 6 over here. So after deleting, array should be 5, 3, 2, 7, 8. You can see the modified arrays 5, 3, 2, 7, 8. All occurrences of 6 are deleted. Let's try and run the program again. We actually need not compile, but I'm compiling again and then run it again. Enter number of elements. Suppose I input value as 6. There is 6 number to be processed. It asks for enter 6 numbers. We input suppose 3. You can input like this also, 4. Let's say 5, again 3, again 6, again 2. So I got 6 numbers input. Suppose I want to delete only number 5, which is only once. Enter number to delete, suppose 5. So only that 5 is gone. So array reduced to 3, 4, 3, 6, 2. So that is our program. Thank you.